Welcome. Blackberry leaf tea can successfully replace the taste of Far Eastern teas, Indian, Chinese, or Georgian tea, because the taste is quite similar to them. The use of blackberry tea is the most common in our country for problems with diarrhea, inflammation of the vocal cords, laryngitis, gastritis, colitis, and increased acidity are problems that this tea can still solve. How to prepare tea? Pour 2 deciliters of boiling water over a tablespoon of dry leaves. Cover and let it stand for 15 minutes. Then strain. Drink 2 deciliters of tea 2 to 3 times a day before meals. This tea cures hemorrhoids, helps with inflammation of respiratory system, prevents periodontitis and bleeding gums. Blackberry is rich in antioxidants, strengthens immunity, prevents cardiovascular problems, and besides the fruit, the blackberry leaf is an excellent natural solution for many ailments. The regular consumption of blackberry tea relieves the symptoms of diarrhea, soothes hemorrhoids, and helps with inflammation of the respiratory system. Rinsing the mouth with this drink prevents periodontitis and bleeding gums. It is recommended to use wild blackberry leaves for tea. Not recommended for people prone to constipation, pregnant women, children up to 2 years old. Bonus tips. You can also use sheet covers. A cooled boiled leaf is used as a poultice for hemorrhoids several times a day for 15 minutes. For inflammation of the gums. For periodontal disease and inflammation of the gums, it is good in combination with apple cider vinegar and propolis. Under the dark circles, boiled and cooled leaves are used as a poultice for swelling of the face or under the eyes, as well as in the treatment of wrinkles, applied 2 to 3 times a day for 15 minutes.